We're also tracking a developing story. The state child welfare watchdog is now looking into the death of this little boy. 23-month-old Jayvion Johnson was burned and bruised when he died Wednesday at a Denver hospital. And the child's mother and boyfriend, they are now both being held in a murder investigation.
7 News investigator John Ferrugia first told you about 6 complaints the Department of Human Services had about the family. And John, after your story last night, that watchdog got a call today asking that he investigate this case.
That's right. The Child Protection Ombudsman, Dennis Goodwin, is not allowed to tell me much, but he noted that once he gets a complaint or a call for investigation, as he did today, he immediately begins a review, and that leads to a decision whether to proceed to a formal investigation. So far, his staff has begun reviewing the state child welfare database called the TRAIL system. That is where all the details of Denver Human Services contacts with the family of Jayvion Johnson have been entered. As we reported exclusively last night, one of the 6 complaints, or what are known as referrals, that DHS received was when the child was born in 2013 and tested positive for drugs. But DHS never opened a case. Now, this is the 3rd child death in the past year that has raised questions about DHS practices and procedures. Clearly, in this case, the Ombudsman will be trying to determine why such a complaint was not accepted for investigation, why the family was never interviewed, and whether that was appropriate. This is the 5th such review or investigation in the past year undertaken by the Ombudsman after receiving calls from complainants who referenced our reports. I'm 7 News investigator John Ferrugia.